Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is at L DIY Fashion, and thank you for clicking and tuning in. Please share, like, and subscribe. Today's DIYs are we're going to be making earrings out of buttons. The things that you'll need would be a file, drill, or sandpaper, buttons of your choice that you think that it will look absolutely cute as earrings, tall earring posts, which will be flat bags for your earrings, and a hot glue gun, and pliers, needle nose pliers at that. As you can see right here, I did not know that was real metal, because some things are painted chrome and it just gives off the illusion that it's metal, but that was really metal. And so I just picked up my trusty dusty needle nose pliers and cut that off, and I filed the rest of it down to make a flat or a more stable area for the hot glue and the earring post. This was my DIY take on button earrings, and I think I did really well. I like these. These kind of look like the Victorian era earring. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to share. Thank you for tuning in, watching, and bye. Follow us on Facebook, Emporium Wicked Work.